Hey friends, have you ever found a tiny mystery in your own backyard? Well, Leo and Mia did. One sunny morning, perched on a big green leaf, they spotted something super small and round. It was a tiny egg. What could be inside? Was it a mini dinosaur? A baby ladybug? They had to find out. They watched it every single day. Soon, the egg wiggled and out popped a very hungry caterpillar. It wasn't a dinosaur at all. This little guy, the larva, just ate and ate and ate, munching on leaves and growing bigger and bigger. Then, one day, the caterpillar stopped eating. It hung upside down and built a cozy little house around itself called a chrysalis. This is the pupa stage. Leo and Mia waited and wondered what was happening in there. After a few weeks, the chrysalis started to shake. A crack appeared, and something amazing pushed its way out. It wasn't a caterpillar anymore. It was a beautiful butterfly with colorful wings, ready to fly. From a tiny egg to a flying jewel, that's the incredible life cycle of a butterfly. Isn't nature amazing? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to explore the wonders around you.